Hello guys, Legends here back with another video, and this video is one I don't think I would find myself making, but here we are, developers not wanting to patch the game, and the current economy in CPM2 is all over the place. With all that yapping and introduction out of the way, today I'm going to show you guys how to make quick money, quick coins, and get cars that are worth 10,000 coins for free. These methods will take you from 10 seconds and no more than 10 minutes total. And as per usual, before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to these awesome subscribers and viewers. I can't thank you guys enough for all the support for the channel and the content, and if you want to be shown in a future video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe and comment shout out down below. I will try to pick you out in the next one. The earlier, the better. Now let's get started with the money-making process, and a quick disclaimer that I don't want anyone to feel guilty or at fault for bugs and exploits done to the game. These methods involve no hacking or use of cheats whatsoever. This is all loopholes that the developers failed to cover up, and we are making use of it. And to the developers, please fix your game and listen to the players. Ignore all the requests for cars and random features, and listen to those who actually play your game and help the community. Now with all that off my chest, let's get into the first method. This method does not require you to spend any money. You don't even need a first car. I will start fresh on the login page just to demonstrate. You can get free cars that cost 10,000 coins by exploiting a delay in the system. As you can see, this account is fresh with 25,000 cash, and I will not be using any software or external help to do this. You first want to click on the premium car section to let the car load in. Right now you will see the Lexus LFA. Now go back onto the smart car, and this is where you will need to be fast. While you are on the smart car, click the premium button, then click buy, and then click confirm. Really fast, all together. Now you have a free Lexus LFA. Here I will do it again to show you how fast it happens, and as you guys can see, no hacks and no cheats, just a weak point in the game system. Next I will try for the Ferrari F12. And there we go, a free Ferrari. And before we go any further, the person who brought this exploit to the attention of the community is Tigerbyte Mods. He is a well-known player that exploits and dupe cars in the game. We cannot blame him for anything this time around, as this is all a problem with the game, and the developers will probably, most definitely, be patching this in the next update. However, they cannot call these cars dupes, as they are all individual purchases. Let me know if this works for you down below, and if you think the developers should be more cautious not to let this happen again. Now for the next method, and this one is more legal. You can even use the cars that you have just gotten for free to do this. Each drag racing cup is labeled in the time you take to finish after a race. So S13 means a 13-second car, S12 is a 12-second car, and anything faster than 9 seconds is considered the unlimited. So the trick to milking the gold from these races is tuning your car or finding that sweet spot during the race to finish in the highest time for each category. You can even use a timer on the side to help you judge how fast you are about to finish, but the whole secret to it is getting the closest to the beginning mark of each time category. For example, if you are in the 12-second tournament and you get 12.1 seconds at finish, you are basically going to win every race in this category, so aim for all of those times for each respective category, and you will most likely have over 5,000 coins from just drag racing. And since you have cars to sell, you can get cash for upgrades easily, not even considering the daily tasks. Now let's see which classes these cars end up in with the stock setup. Afterwards, I will try to tune a car from my main account to take on one of these tournaments that is not the unlimited, so it will be the slower tournaments for extra coins. Let me know what you guys think about these methods for farming coins and cash. Even though one might be an exploit, it is still technically legal. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.